Hey there, pickle peeps! Have you ever had like a buttload of content that you want to drop into your Facebook group, but don't want to wait for it and aren't really sure how to schedule it? Like, did you know you could schedule it? Because it is game changer. Now, I'm going to preface this to say, batched content is amazing content. Batched content is the best content because it's done content. And I hate the word content. Like, I'm going to rant for a second. Content drives me crazy, and when people say you need good content, it's like putting the pressure on. It's like, what's good content? And really, they mean a cute cat video. A cute cat video is content. But we're taking it a step up here because I don't have a cat-related business. Any of my businesses are not cat-related, so we're going to go with non-cat videos. But I want to show you how to post out tons of content in just a couple of minutes so that you can move on with your day, your business, your life, and maybe have time for dessert. Sound good? Let's go to the computer! Okay, pickle peep. So what the heck am I actually talking about here with batched content? I'm going to give you a straight up example here. I'm running a challenge in my ecom Facebook group. And I have it's a 15-day challenge, and I went ahead and made all 15 posts. So you can see it here. This is a gratitude challenge. Actually, this image that I'm showcasing you in Canva is the final image of the challenge. And I batch everything when I do my challenges. So I've done like a riddle challenge before, I've done a workout challenge, I've done all of that. So usually what I'll do, or now, if you want to see, if you want to know how to build cool engagement challenges for your group, check out this video right here. But that's just going to give you the strategy. Right here, we are talking about how to implement it. So we went ahead, I had made all of my images. So let me see here. Boom. All of my images you can see for this 15-day challenge. I'm going to go ahead and schedule them in my group. Now, I know there are simpler ways to do this, but I tend to go ahead and use a sticky notepad because I get distracted and lost all the time. So the very first thing that I do, if you have a ton of these, is grab your dates that you're going to be using for it. So you can see this one starts on the 15th and it goes to the 29th. And like all of my posts have that on there too. So I could just go off of those, but this helps me keep track when I'm trying to move fast. So what I'm going to do is come right over here Okay, I'm over here in my group, which is the fan clan. Yes, I know I need a better banner. It's on the list of things to do. But what I'm going to do is go right into write something, because you can see scheduled posts, but as far as I know, I don't see how to like schedule posts in the sidebar. Now, caveat, if you are using Creator Studio and these are posts that are going both on your page and in your group, you can use Creator Studio for it. Schedule them out in there and then go ahead and it'll ask if you want to share it to group and just select which groups you want to do. But let's go ahead. So I batch everything when I'm going to do these. I want everything done by the time I'm going to schedule. So I batch my photos. These all have one caption. Usually on my batch kind of stuff, I only have one caption going, but if you're ambitious, you can have multiple captions, just have them ready to go. So I'm going to go right here into write something. This is my post on these. This is for my monthly challenge. I like to make this bold, and then it's the Badass Beastie challenge. And I make this one italics, boom, that's the text. And then I'm going to put in my photo. And this is why I have my little cheat sheet here, because it tells me which one I'm at. So I'm on day 22, because I don't remember when I stopped doing this a couple hours ago. It's like an in-between task sometimes. So I'm going to select for the 22nd. Photo comes up, loads in, beautiful. And now, instead of hitting post, I'm going to hit this little button right next to post, which is the little calendar type thing. That's going to allow me to schedule the post. You cannot schedule posts for more recently than within a half an hour. So if you're like, oh, I want this to go up in 10 minutes, you're going to have to manually post it in 10 minutes. But as long as it's after a half an hour, and then Facebook will let you schedule posts up to 75 days out is what I saw them say. So on other ones I do, like if you're in the the Pickle Peeps group. I have the coffee chat every Mondays. Feel free, join our group, Handmade How Home of the Pickle Peeps. Link is below if you want to join in, because every Monday at 9:30 Eastern time, we have open coffee chats. So we do this in a Facebook room. They are not recorded, and they are a place for, you know, business owners who might get a little squirrely, a little lonely, a little any of that, to come and just have a coffee, have a drink, enjoy an hour with other business owners. And sometimes we workshop problems, sometimes we talk about our wins, sometimes we just hang around, and it's never a bitch session. I don't want that for drama, but we hang around and we just enjoy and support each other. So it's a really fantastic thing. But anyway, so those I know where it's the 75 days out, but this is just going up on the 22nd. So it's only in like another week. So I'm going to go ahead for the date, and I'm going to select the 22nd here. And my time, you can scroll through or you can type. I tend to type because I'm going for the afternoon, not the early morning posts. 12:30, and then you can select your AM or PM and then schedule. Ta-da! Done. I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to scratch that date from my little list here, and we're going to keep going. So I'm just going right back into my write something. I'm going to paste in my caption. You can see how if you're doing something that's repeatable, even if you have like a Monday motivation kind of post where it always has the same kind of caption but different images, you can do it like that way. I know at my coffee chats I have 4 different images, and I just rotate one image next, but the caption always stays the same. So that's me. If you have things that are repeatable, this is the way to do it for repeatable content, okay? So I have my text in there. I'm going to add my image, and it's the 23rd this time. Wait for the image to load. Boom. Hit the schedule calendar. Date is going to be the 23rd. Time, 12:30 p.m. If you want to join in on this, if the challenge is still going when you're watching and you want to join in on the Metals and Pieces fan clan to come see how I do one of these live, go for it. The more the merrier. I guess I'll have that link below so you guys can see the end result of this. This is a really fun little experiment that I'm doing. Again, you can see, if you checked out that video before about our group challenges, you can see it there. So again, I scratched out 23rd on my cheat sheet here, and we're going to keep going. I'm going to do one more. So again, click on write something, and I'm just hitting Control V to paste my text in here. You don't have to add the bolds and italics and whatnot, but it does make it interesting to look at. And I got my little turkey in there. So I got that. I got my photo. We're on the 24th. And now I am going to schedule it. So I hit the little calendar, date, the 24th, time. Again, I could scroll to it, but I have to go through all of the AMs all the way to, here we go, to PM, and there it is, 12:30. All right, and schedule. They will always post in when you schedule stuff, it's based off of your time zone. So I'm going to go ahead and scratch the 24th here. Now I want to show you where these are and what you can do with them. So I have, obviously they're not shown up here. This is my one for today that posted. I did have to manually post that one. But we're going to come over here in the sides, and underneath like your home, your admin assistant, all of that. Pending posts would be ones from other people. What we're looking for is scheduled posts. So I'm going to click on scheduled, and you can see it has there a little 10 next to it. So I have 10 scheduled posts to go out. So these are the ones for, it'll be go out in 23 hours. This is tomorrow's post right here. Now, you cannot edit the post once you schedule it. It's a pain in the butt, but we don't have that capability right now. So what you can do is you can either decide to post it now, or you can reschedule the post, but you cannot edit the content of the post. So if you're like, oh, I messed up a link, or I messed up my text or any of that, you're going to have to delete the post and re-upload it. So how do you delete the post? You're going to come up to the 3 dots here and make me a liar. That's how you edit the post. See, I learned something new while doing these videos too. So you can edit the post right here. You can reschedule your post. You can I don't know why you would want to snooze things that you own. That doesn't make any sense. You can turn off commenting for a post that's not even up yet. But let's see here. Let's edit post. Ta-da! This is how you do it. So I'm going to exit that because I don't want it edited. But this is also where you can remove the post if, like, I've scheduled duplicates. I've done bulk scheduling and scheduled stuff to the wrong group. So you want to delete posts. That would just be this one right here. All right, but there you go. That is how you bulk schedule in a Facebook group. Okay, excellent. If you guys have more questions about Facebook group stuff, drop them in the comments. Love to help you out with that. Anything that you guys want to know that I can help with. Otherwise, we have something new going on. I am just starting up an email list because I know sometimes YouTube is, well, any of the social platforms, they get a little wonky on posting things out and letting you know when new content comes out. So I have started up a email series for this, and you can sign up at that by going to thehandmadehow.com/insider. And you can schedule up, you can sign up right there. So things that you'll get on the email list are, you'll get notifications every time there is a new video. So you'll see, like, you'll have like the video, what the video is, what I'm talking about, the links. I'll also be sending you guys out polls. That's how you'll access special offers. Like when we get to the 200 subs, the free bonus will be in there for you guys to access. Okay. So you don't have to worry about being like, oh, like, I love for you guys to check my channel every day, but I understand you're busy. I'm busy. I get it. So if you don't want to be doing that, you just want the alert when new stuff is going on, join there on thehandmadehow.com/insider. Again, linked down below. That's it. So let me know if this was helpful, Pickle Peep, and let me know what you're going to do next, what kind of content you want to batch, and I will see you on the next one.